So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Just briefly before we climb inside the car, I think it's well worth seeing the boot space. As you can see, we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. Beneath that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment. And then above that, we have the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 8,627. We have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed in the main section. You can change that information. So we have a trip computer, vehicle settings, your telephone, audio and navigation menus, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Over in the centre, we then have the main touchscreen. So we're on the audio menu at the moment, where you'll see we've got AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls, of course. We can come back out to the home screen from there. And on here is where you'd pair your phone in order that you can use Bluetooth audio.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there. We have satellite navigation, of course. We've done a video showing how this sat-nav system works, which you can find on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the climate control for the car. So, you are able to adjust the fan speed, of course, the temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. If you make any manual adjustment, auto will go off and it will allow you to put it back on your own settings here. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. A 12-volt charging socket, USB input, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn off the traction control and we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that orange light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.